Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Still sick, recorded this one after another, and I am still feeling like shit. It's Halloween, which is great because Halloween is one of the best time in the year for existing. Personally, I believe that more people should exist during Halloween. That's why we have ghosts and stuff. Until they start to exist as well, you know. But my entire brain cells, the two of them, named Call and fuck. My two brain cells are just ding-donging, ditching around in my brain and being idiots. And I can feel it. And it feels weird to have your entire mind subconsciously screwing with you. I was drinking tea. No, don't start the game. Trying to learn how to do quick rollouts again. I knew them before, I lost how to do them. I still feel like every time I hear that sound, oh yeah, I forgot which pack I was running. Every time I hear a certain, like a FUD, it happens twice. Oh, fuck yeah. No, you can't win me. I actually did something cool. I actually did something cool. Fucking hell, I'm so dead. I am so dead if he sees me. I am so dead. I should be dead. I should not be alive right now. But I am. But I shouldn't be. Fucking hell, that took all of my hearts. Leave me alone. Everyone in this game can leave me alone. I can't see where you are. And I forgot to start a damn timer again. Did I just run over to one of these islands? I'm gonna run over to this island, jump down here. Up. What the hell is your fucking... Damn it. How did they know? Probably because my name tag. I didn't fucking hide myself. There's the only ones left. And I think you're fighting against a player that's actually stacked. Good luck, man. Good luck. Hey, I'm a zombie. Yo. Me, go, me, go, me, go, me, go, me. How fucking dare you? I hope you lose. But I'm doing great right now, guys. I'm doing so great. Being sick, it's fun. God, my eyes feel like they're gonna burn. Woo! I might be a little bit loose in the head right now. But that's nothing to worry about, you know. Happens to the best of us. I think the oh come on. Leave me alone. I beg the shit out of you. It's not worth it. It's not worth going for me, you know. After a while, you need to realize that going for me doesn't earn you shit. How about you? No. Nice. He went for me. He tried. He failed. It's a nice kill. I didn't earn anything from it. And he's better. He's so much better. He's so much better. Fucking leave me alone, good players. He had speed and everything. That sucks. I always get stuck at one of these islands. That's why I like the Enderpearl one, because if you get stuck here, you can just teleport into mid. But it doesn't really work the same when your kids isn't used. I'm speaking words, but I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, brain, you good? You good? You got everything out of your system. Okay. I can hear my cat in the background. She's being loud. She wants attention. I'm gonna give her attention if I die. Haha, I didn't die. Thusly, I won't give her attention. What to do? What to do? I could stay here, do nothing for an hour, but no. You missed. 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 Well, you hit that, but it didn't do any damage. You missed. You hit. You missed. You missed. Can you leave me the fuck alone now? I play against someone who plays Brit fucking competitively sometimes. At least I feel like she does. She has like over 200 win streak. And I have no health. Nice shot, nice win. I should have just jumped into the void. God damn it. I'm gonna go and talk to my cat. Give him one. Susie. Meow. Wait, it. Yes, sir. Over there. Susie. To the side, to the side, to the side. And I am back, and we started another game because I was gone for so long. My cat is right now like snuggling up to me, and my arm is in the completely wrong position to play this game now. Please, cat, I love you with all my heart, but please, I need to be able to play the game somewhat competitively. Yo, that's unfair, uncivilized, unmoody. Cat, leave my fucking arm alone, will ya? There was a sniping duel off to the side. Yo, not cool, fucking shot at me. I have done nothing to earn that. Anger and aggression, goddamn. I'ma steal that kill. See? Simple. You earn kills, you steal kills, you don't fight players who are better than you in every single way. You don't fight players who are better than you in every single way. You don't fight players who are better than you in every single way. Now please, cat. Dear my dear girl, yes, go to bed beside me. I cannot be an affectionate fucking person right now. Affectionate person right now. Just please sit down so I can play this game. Okay? No? Understandable. Have a nice day. She's still grabbing all of the attention right now. My brain is not on the game. My brain is not on the game at all. So basically nothing changed. Oh, blocks. Yay, because this map is so fun to play. No. Fuck you, no. I don't like that. I didn't like that at all. No. Can you absolutely just fuck off? Oh, thank you. You know what? You're not so bad. That guy is though. That guy is fucking useless. I'm sorry for being so rude towards him, but he was fucking mean. Yo. You know what? Seeing how you haven't killed me yet, and you're only standing there with a bunch of snowballs, and we're probably gonna lose this thing because, oh shit. No. Fucking stop it. Stop. I don't have... He's gonna shoot. Enderpearl land. No, Enderpearl, what the fuck? Enderpearl, the fuck was that? Yeah, I thought it was gonna land on the fucking building. But yeah, karma. That was karma. I was gonna land on the building, but it didn't. It just fucking disappeared. Well, can you hear the purring from my cat? I'm sorry if you can. Well, technically it's not my cat, it's the neighbor's cat that comes over every single day. We have actually, we talked about this with our neighbor. We're like, hey, is it okay that she comes in here? Because she really likes to, and we have no problem with her being here. But, you know, it's not our cat. And they just went, we honestly can't give two shits. She likes to be with you, great, take care of her, you're not hurting her. She's doing great beside you. We don't care. And I was like, oh, that's such a great mindset. Except it isn't a great mindset. No, no, you leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. No, you don't get that. How dare he get the fucking kill? Had I gotten that one, I would have killed him with the string. God damn it. Cat, please, I loved you. My cat is so annoying right now, and I love her. But yes, the cat isn't technically ours. It's the neighbor's. But she comes over so damn often that we just adopted her. We did ask permissions, fuck it. We did ask permission of the previous of the owners. We looked at it and we were like, is it fine that we have your cat over every single fucking day? And they looked at us like, she enjoys you guys. You seem like nice people. You haven't hurt her in any way. Take her. We're not allowed to feed her because we don't know shit about her. Like, we don't know what she can and cannot eat. So that's like the one thing we said. We can give her water any time of the day. We can't never ever feed her. Which my sister later like fought against by giving her candy. You know, family makes a rule, the oldest child doesn't fucking listen to that rule, and now the entire family, why are you allowed to be good at the game? And why is a person behind me? Did he fall? Just the karma. That karma. But yes, the cat is ours. I might be allergic to her. Not to the same degree I'm allergic to dust. But, like, okay, dust will murder me one day. Dust will kill me. If I live long enough to see tomorrow, dust will have me murdered. Dust and I just don't go together at all. For some reason, dust suddenly turned on me like I was some sort of criminal. No. Fuck off. Will you just fuck off? What do you earn by being annoying? What do you earn? Fuck you. Dude. Why did you do that for over like 2 minutes? I can't leave my home with you being a fuckhead. Is he going to go now? And I don't have another sword, so I can't upgrade this one. And those players seem to be actually knowing what they're doing. And he just got a kill, so I don't want to go after him. Oh, it's me, that dude left, and that dude was seriously good at the game, so, you know. Oh, they're over on the other side. Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up. And oh, hacker. That's why. It was a hacker. Fucking damn it. Happens in every video, you know, comes up. Cat, please. I need to be able to move my arms without you being cubed, okay? Without you being like, I need affection, I need pets. I need to be able to move my arms. But yes, I'll take a picture of her and just like show you guys in the video so you can see how fucking adorable. No, that's my no claws on that. That's my mouse cable. You cannot play with it. It's not a toy. Please. I fucking love you, but no, that's not a toy. Yeah, she's playing with my mouse cable. Or she was. Which isn't a good thing. Oh, I missed. So close. Fuck, no! Why do you guys keep showing up like this? And why do I keep missing my shot? That should have been a hit. Like that. Yes, one of those, please. One of those. But more when he's in the void already. And he's dead. Behind you. Turn around. You're so dead. You have to be. Nice clutch. Can't even leave my spawn because of you of what you did, but sure. You played nicely. You words. Very well done. Has anyone ever... No, they're going for the up chest now. I thought no one had done that earlier. Okay, so there is a guy up there. Or there was a guy up there. Okay, wait, can't I? I don't have a chest plate. You know when you realize something incredibly dangerous just happened to you? Yeah, I just realized I'm fucked. Okay, so I have 2 swords. Can't really get one up to high sharpness. Maybe I should have upgraded that. He must be hearing the places, right? This can't be worth it, can it? He's running away. Please bring me chest plate. Please bring me a chest plate. Please don't give him ender pearls. Please don't give him protection gear. Yes, cat. I can also hear you, cat. He's right below me, cat. I have a power 5 bow. How are you only... No, cat, that's my computer! Don't go on top of that. Don't go on top of that. My cat just jumped up on my computer. Please leave. Please leave. Sir, please. I leave. Okay. I'm still recording somehow, but that's the end of the episode. Goodbye.